Want a low maintenance crop that grows in the heat and your family will love, you need to grow pigeon peas. And today we're going to plant some right here in this bed, and I'm going to show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back to the garden. Today we are planting pigeon peas. These are perfect for the climate here in South Florida. They're really packed with protein, they're easy to grow, and they will help improve your soil. So the first thing we're going to do is amend this bed. We had cabbages in here previously and they are heavy feeders. So we're going to go ahead and remove the drip system, and we're going to do something that I don't do too often, but we're going to till this bed a little bit, and then we're going to add some more soil and nutrients into it. So I received this 2 cubic feet bag of garden mix from Vego, and I'm going to go ahead and dump it in here and mix it in. Now this contains perlite, cocoa coir, pines, and other nutrients. And it's nice and fluffy and soft. So here's our finished bed, and as you can see, soil looks nice and rich and healthy. We're going to go ahead and reinstall the drip system, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to plant the pigeon peas. So I'm going to plant my seeds about 1 inch to 2 inches deep and about 3 to 6 inches apart. And I'll put a picture on the screen of what these seeds actually look like. So I'm going to start one here at this emitter, and I'm going to go down about 2 inches. We're going to drop it in, cover it back up, and We're going to do the same thing with this one. And we're going to drop this one in here. Cover it up. Uh, I'm planting a total of 6 seeds, and hopefully I've spaced them out correctly so that they don't interfere with each other. And just like that, we're done. Now I'm going to give them a nice long drink, and then I'm going to come back and talk about the care for them once they sprout. So pigeon peas love sunlight, 6 to 8 hours worth. And while they're in this stage, I need to water them regularly. But once they start to grow, they're pretty drought resistant as well. Now, once they start maturing and all the seeds that I planted, I will probably keep about 2 or 3. And that's because pigeon peas, the actual plant itself, can get pretty big, almost to tree size, anywhere from 6 to 10 feet tall. I don't expect them to get that big in the raised bed, but I will keep an eye out on them, and I don't want them to become crowded or anything like that. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.